talk about green and
Hey, Dave Cook coming at you. We are doing some paint and wallpaper. So we are papering over plaster walls. Peter's doing some painting in the other room. We're plastering over these two accent walls. So this is some paper they've had in part of their house. And we are just doing the paper to it. So it's kind of interesting on there. This is, you paste the paper, not the wall. I don't know what that means, but it's supposed to be washable, supposed to be strippable, and we found out I think that's the strippable part. And then that's our information on the paper, 11 yards, 21 inches. Didn't give any information, any other information on it. There's nothing on the back. So we found out after we unwrapped it that this has a 24-inch pattern, and it is a half drop pattern. So every third piece is the pattern we needed. So it was a good thing we took the time to unravel it, figured out what we needed for size and patterns, because otherwise we wouldn't have known that. So sometimes you find the information out on the front where this is, and just like this one, sometimes you don't. You just gotta kind of take your time, look at the paper, unwrap it, and see what you got. So if you got questions on wallpaper installation, what kind of paper you have, give us a call to Franco Finishes. We're here to help you love the space you're in.